Welcome to the Deep Dive. Our mission today is to really get into a super specific but vital area of digital strategy, SEO for movie theaters.
Yeah, it sounds incredibly niche, but the core idea here is universal. Discovery is everything.
Right.
I mean, when you're looking for showtimes or trying to find a cinema with those nice recliner seats, that entire search starts online. If a theater isn't visible right away, they just lose the sale.
And that's exactly why we're digging into the playbook from Samyak Online. They specialize in this cutting-edge AI and LLM SEO for multiplexes in the US, the UK, Australia, you name it. We're here to unpack that blueprint.
Okay, so let's start with the big technical shift. We hear AI SEO and LLM SEO thrown around a lot. What do these terms actually mean, and how are they different for, a local cinema versus some big online company?
It's a really important distinction. It's about pivoting away from just optimizing for that blue link on Google and instead optimizing to be the answer itself. The sources define three sort of interconnected methods.
So first, you have AI SEO. Think of this as using machine learning to make sure your website's content and technical setup are relevant enough to stay visible as search engines get smarter.
So AI SEO is basically adapting your site to keep up with Google's own AI. Future-proofing.
Exactly. Then you get LLM SEO, which is more about the new battlefield. This means optimizing your content specifically for conversational platforms.
Like ChatGPT, Gemini, that kind of thing.
Precisely. And Google's AI overviews. The goal isn't just to get a click anymore, it's to get a direct brand mention in that AI-generated summary.
Wow, okay, that is a huge shift. So if AI SEO keeps you in the game, LLM SEO actually helps you win the customer before they even reach your website.
In a way, yeah. And the glue that holds it together is the third method they talk about, semantic SEO. This is where you use structured data and schema markup to basically whisper instructions directly to the AI. It lets a cinema build context so they can rank perfectly for these very specific searches, like cinema with recliner seats near me.
So the big takeaway here is that you need all three to dominate what they call ADO answer engine optimization and GEO generative engine optimization. All right, shifting to how this actually gets done. What are the practical steps to get a theater AI ready? Because this idea of battling for a spot in a summary, not just for a click, is fascinating.
Well, the focus immediately pivots to strengthening what we call EET signal.
Right. Experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trust. But wait, EEAT for a local movie theater. I mean, how do they demonstrate expertise in showing the new Marvel movie?
It's a great question. It's about proving their authority and experience around the entire transaction. We're talking about really granular technical optimization.
Okay.
So implementing schema markup for every little detail, showtimes, movies, locations, and this is crucial for the ticketing and pricing itself. It's like giving search engines a perfect blueprint that says, we are the trusted source for this information.
And that's how you monetize the premium offerings, I imagine.
Precisely. If you're the only local cinema correctly marking up your recliner seats or your IMAX screen with schema, you're targeting those high-intent, high-margin customers directly. And of course, local SEO is just non-negotiable. You have to dominate those nearest cinema searches. That means optimizing your Google Map listing, using location keywords, all the fundamentals.
So for you, the learner, the message seems pretty clear. This isn't just about keywords anymore. It's about becoming the definitive, trusted answer when someone is driving down the street and asks their phone where to go tonight.
Yeah, and if we zoom out for a final thought, the biggest challenge for these theaters is moving their resources. They have to stop thinking so much about old school links and start optimizing for this deep contextual relevance. So that leaves us with a question, right? If this level of AEO and GEO strategy is what it takes for a movie theater to get foot traffic now, what other hyper-local industries, I'm thinking restaurants, auto mechanics, maybe even doctors, need to adopt this stuff immediately just to survive the next few years of search? That's something to think about.